As part of today's Slay production, I really want to talk to you about how to install confidence on your body.
You want me all night long. You want me all night long.
Obviously, nobody will love you if you don't love yourself. Love is from within, baby. If you love yourself within, it will actually reflect on the skin. It will reflect physically. It will reflect when there's a glowy skin. It will reflect. It will reflect. It will reflect, baby. It will reflect on your skin. So today's topic, as usual, is all about confidence, 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 honey. You know what? You know what, eh? Someone out there is trying to be like you, like they wish they were you. So let's say I am very slim, I'm small, like you can see, I'm small, I'm slim. Someone is slimmer than I am. I'm not trying to brag, but I'm trying to let you understand something. Someone's ass is flatter than mine. I know my ass, understand. No, not two ways about that. But someone's ass is flatter than mine. And that person might be wishing they were me. And on the other hand, someone is a bit fatter than I am, and that person might be wishing they were me. So the point is, why do you want to wish you were someone? Why don't you love what you have? And stop comparing, honey. As a matter of fact, those you're comparing yourself with, I know that all things are not green like you see them to be. Seriously, they are not green like you see them to be. No. You see someone with fat ass. Some people are actually suffering because of fat ass. Like, I remember when I was in secondary school, my friend was like, seriously, I'm always having waist pain because of my ass. And you want to be like the person. Like, duh. Be thankful. Yes, I've come back with the thankful again. Yes, I'm gonna be like this girl. She's always being thankful. Be thankful. What is it? Yes, honey. Yes. Be thankful for your big body. Be thankful for your small body. That's what you have. And what you're going to do with it is to embrace it. I mean, everybody has flaws. Everybody has flaws. Nobody is 100%. Except maybe you are the new Jesus, we don't know. Everybody has flaws. But what you're going to do is be thankful for what you love. Love what you love about yourself, whilst you also love your flaws. I mean, when you accept your flaws, nobody can use it against you. Like when someone tells you you are ugly and you start crying because you believe you're ugly. If they said you're ugly and you think you are not ugly, who cares? I don't care. You see me to be ugly and somebody see me to be the most beautiful person in this world. So, what I'm trying to say is, accept your flaws. And when you accept your flaws, nobody is going to use it against you. So, one of my flaws was this thing I have here. It actually accident. I got some bends and I actually scratched this place. It was the whole hand, but I scratched this place, and this is here. This has been here for the past 20 years. Yes, it has been here for the past 20 years. And what I won't let this take over my life. I get comments like, go and do surgery, go and do what? It's not as if the thing is painful. It's not painful. It's not taking anything out of my body. So I learned to embrace it. At first, I was trying to cover it because I didn't want to wear anything. I can't wear something like this at first. I always want to wear something that will get here, something that will cover it, like nobody's going to see it. Until I accept the fact that this is been part of me. It has been part of me for 20 years, and I don't need to cover it for anybody. I don't need to cover it for someone to feel good. No, it's me, it's in my body, and I love it. Thank you. Any other person's opinion about this is cancelled. Sure. So actually, when I decide to accept this, I mean, you are free, you flow within, you don't feel any uncomfortable like anytime you walk in. Because at first, when I wear something like I feel comfortable, I feel like people are looking at me, people are going to say something, people are going to see something. But now that I decided not to think of it, I don't even hear people saying anything. No. Yes, that's how good it is. When I decided to stop thinking about it, I don't even hear anybody talk about it anymore. You understand? So the first thing you're supposed to do is to be thankful, and that is very important. Most importantly, get a mirror in your room, and every single day when you wake up, stand in front of the mirror and tell yourself, I'm beautiful, I'm bold, I'm proud. Like, tell yourself all the sweet things. So every morning when you wake up, stand in front of the mirror and tell yourself all the beautiful things in this world. Tell yourself you're a winner. Tell yourself you're an achiever. Tell yourself you're beautiful, you're strong, you're bold. You don't need anybody to tell you that. You need to stand in front of a mirror and tell yourself. And the most important thing you can do to yourself is loving yourself. When you love yourself from within, it reflects, honey. It does reflect. So the first thing you should be doing is to be thankful for everything. Thankful for your nose, thankful for your eyes, thankful for your big lips, whatever, everything you have. Be thankful. That is what is going to make you love yourself and feel confident. Anybody's opinion is Oshe. Number 2 is stop comparing, honey. Stop comparing yourself to that girl on Instagram with big booty and flat stomach. I was actually scrolling through Instagram and I saw a feed. I saw someone post and I was so disappointed. Like, is this where we are going to? If you don't have ass and titties, you're not a human being. Is this where we are going to really actually? You have all the master's degree and you don't have ass and titties, you're not comfortable. Like, where are we heading to? Where are we going? So one thing I always tell people is, I see my friends go to the gym and all of that, and one thing I always tell them is, if you're going to the gym to be like that girl on Instagram, my friend, you will fail. You not even reach 1 week, you stop going to the gym because it won't work. But if you are going to the gym because you love your body, but you actually think your stomach is bloating and you want to work on it, that way you're going to achieve it very fast. You're going to achieve it very fast rather than comparing. My arm looks too big, my stomach looks too big, I want to cinch my waist and look like that girl on Instagram. Like, are you serious? Are you sure you are serious? Because you end up only 1 week, you register for the gym and you stop because you won't take it and you won't get anywhere. It won't work. Seriously, it won't work. But you rather accept your body and you think of a way of, you think you've eaten too much carbohydrate and you need to work on the stomach. You've been eating at night and you need to work on your stomach. Absolutely on it, because you have a goal and you're going to achieve it. But comparing yourself, you don't have a goal. Seriously, you don't have a goal. You don't know if that person actually did some surgery for that body. You don't know. So why do you have to compare yourself to them? Stop comparing. Just stop comparing yourself. Stop. In this life, we are all different people. Even if you're one mother, if you and your sister, you and your twin, you're different. We are all different, and we all have to do our things differently. You don't have to do this because this person is doing this. No. Stop. Because you won't get anywhere. You won't be able to achieve what you want to. People have been battling about this issue. Like you see on social media, people are trying to do a reverse complaint, but they don't know how to put it. Like someone will be like, if you don't like me, do I care? Or but people are actually depressed because someone don't like them. Like, when did that start? Because this person doesn't like you. I mean, it's even in the Bible that it's not everybody that will like you. So if someone doesn't like you, you just bye. I don't care if you don't like me. That's your own cup of tea. It's not mine. I didn't ask you not to like me. You know what you've seen that makes you think you don't have to like me. That's your own cup of tea. I don't care. Don't like me. Be there. Am I forcing anybody to come in? I mean, don't even try forcing anybody to like you. No. Don't try it. Don't do that at all. Like this person does it. So you are trying to do something to please the person. In this 2019, pleasing someone and leaving yourself. No, please. Most importantly, what will make you feel comfortable? Because you will dress nicely with the heels on and all of that. You be in your car, and immediately you see that person that doesn't like you, the confidence level went from 100% to 0. That is so bad. You don't have to do that. If someone don't like you, accept the fact that this person doesn't like me. Nothing I can do about it because I've not done anything to the person, but the person has decided not to like me. You know that sometimes you heard of some people, you've not even seen the people, but you don't like them. It's normal. You don't expect everybody to like you. It's normal. So if someone don't like you, accept the fact that the person doesn't like you for no reason. If there's a reason, if maybe you've done something to the person, that's why the person has issues with you. You talk to the person about it. But if you've not done anything and the person doesn't like you, are you God? Even God that came to die. Even God that came to die for us, people were gossiping about him. People didn't like him. Who are you? That if someone doesn't like you, you have to kill yourself. Please, no. If you've watched my video up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? I mean, you must subscribe so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first person to see it. Make your happiness the topmost priority. If what will make you happy is to go to the club on Fridays, please go. Please go. If what is going to make you happy is to buy clothes from Fashion Over, buy. Nobody's opinion concerns. Like, you don't care about nobody's opinion. Someone gonna be like, you are spending too much. Hey, you buying one dress 200 cedis. You're buying 1 week for 3,000 cedis. Hey, what at all? Why do you have to do that? People's opinion, they're like mouth, like lips. Everybody has lips, so everybody has an opinion, but don't let someone's opinion shadows you. Please, your happiness is your topmost priority. If you have to go to the club every single day to be happy, please go. As long as you're not hurting anybody, you're not hurting yourself, you're not hurting anybody. Anybody's comments, opinion is none of your business. It's out, because you own your body. And the way for you to be happy is to go out. Like a girl with you. Will change boys say, if having female friends doesn't make me comfortable and I want to have male friends, I don't see anything wrong with that. You have, hey, this girl, she's changing men like panties. Have I come for your brother? Even if I come for your brother has an opinion. He knows what he wants. And actually, this person might be single. She's just friends with those people that you think she's changing guys like panty. Someone can tell you you're too dark. You need to do something about your skin. You know what? Actually, I almost bleached my skin when I was in secondary school. I'm going to share that story with you guys in my next video, or probably one of my videos. I almost bleached my skin because people think I was too dark. Like this beautiful skin that God gave me. So please, nobody's opinion is more important than yours. You own your body. Nobody owns you. Anyone's opinion doesn't have to overshadow you, please. No, always remember that you are costume, guys. Please don't let anybody's opinion overshadow you. Always still remember that you're beautiful, you're bold, and you can do anything regardless of your size, your shape, your height. You can do anything you put your mind to. You can do anything with hard work. You can climb mountains. So please stop letting people's opinion overshadow you. Thank you for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and share this video with your friends and loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye, smoochies.
Say I take you to Tokyo, girl I go take you to China, girl I go take you to London. I go tell them say you I be one gone. Girl I go
Let's take a minute of silence for these lashes. Damn, these lashes are so boom. This is the first time I'm using it and I love every part of it. God, guys, this is beautiful. I love it. Cute lashes on Instagram. Please follow Cute Lashes on Instagram and purchase, because this is a bomb. This is the bomb.